A showpiece of over 2 acres of both natural and professionally landscaped beauty beyond its gated driveway, and nestled within an exclusive enclave of multi-million-dollar estates. Welcome to the lifestyle of privilege and privacy offered by 16 Fielding Court. This exceptional property has a lovingly maintained garden stretching across the home and its front terrace that is landscaped with mature trees, perennials, shrubs, and stone. A driveway leading to both an attached triple-car garage, plus a detached garage and workshop with 3 separate bays, as well as a backyard that is a summertime oasis for personal enjoyment and entertaining. A befitting entrance to the home is its stamped concrete walkway along the front garden, where you could admire the lush greenery and listen to the soothing sounds of a pond before it takes you to the grand front terrace. This outdoor space, a beautiful place to relax surrounded by the privacy offered by the garden. Double doors open into a very spacious foyer with ceramic flooring, pot lighting, and crown moldings, while another double door entry opens into the main level reception area, above which is a skylight, and which showcases some of the exceptional appointments seen within this level, which include walnut hardwood flooring, pot lighting, chandeliers, and other upgraded light fixtures, as well as oak door and window trims, baseboards, crown moldings, and wainscoting that envelop much of this level with their rich warmth. 2 wall cutouts enhance the openness of the formal living room to the reception area. The living room also having French doors that open to a multi-level 4-season sunroom and entertaining space. Adding to the warmth of the family room is a wood-burning brick fireplace as well as a south-facing exposure, and along its east wall is a built-in glass display unit that gives this room an openness to the reception area as well. The formal dining room across the hall has a French door entry as well as French doors to the multi-level sunroom, with this beautiful, elegant entertaining space also showcasing a stunning chandelier, trimmed walls, and a skylight with its vaulted ceiling. Bright and incredibly spacious, the kitchen is both a home chef's delight and the gathering hub of the home. Whether prepping meals for the family or while entertaining guests, this outstanding space showcases a multi-tiered island with a prep sink, a raised breakfast bar, and cabinets with interior accent lighting, a built-in dishwasher and 2 wall ovens, granite counters, a stainless steel double undermount sink, and a ceramic backsplash with a built-in wood wall niche, wood-trimmed cabinetry that offers tons of storage including 2 pantries, a 6-burner gas cooktop with custom range hood and granite backsplash, as well as a fridge and an upright freezer. The breakfast area walls and ceiling are paneled, the vaulted ceiling also having 3 skylights and a farmhouse chandelier suspended from its wood beam. Sliding glass doors open to a covered deck for the convenience of year-round barbecuing, and 4 windows along the north wall allow for added natural brightness as well as backyard views. The east hallway ends at a tiled landing, which has access to the attached garage, with the flooring continued into a combined laundry and mudroom with a coat rack and storage cubbies, ceramic tiled walls and a stone tiled counter, as well as a front-load washer and dryer. Off the west hallway are 2 double closets and a powder room beautifully appointed with decorative crown moldings, upgraded tiled finishes, a stone accent border, and a vanity with a stone counter, with this hall connecting to the hallway of the home's west wing, which features the bedrooms, a home office, and 2 more washrooms. Both bedrooms at the south end of this hall have oversized windows with front garden views, double closets, and with their generous size can easily accommodate sitting or study areas. The office, which can also be used as a bedroom, features chair rail, crown moldings, a double closet, and a private staircase to the lower level. And directly across is the main four-piece washroom, which has tiled finishes throughout, decorative crown moldings, a vanity with stone counter, as well as matching sconce and vanity lighting. The impressive master suite is quite exceptional in its size, having a lovely sitting area in addition to a separate sitting room, with both spaces enjoying views of the backyard through their huge north-facing windows. This bedroom also showcases crown moldings and 2 double closets with organizers, and its relaxing ensuite washroom features tiled finishes throughout, crown moldings, a jetted tub and a separate shower area, as well as built-in toiletry cabinets complementing the storage of a vanity with integrated countertop basins. Perfect for casual entertaining or as a place to unwind at the end of the day. The multi-level sunroom has wood-paneled finishes, a wood wet bar and vinyl plank flooring on its upper tier, while its ground level has ceramic flooring, a walkout to access the backyard, leaded glass windows, a wood stove with stone hearth and back wall, as well as the relaxing indulgence of a hot tub. To the lower level is a hardwood staircase with wrought iron pickets, this level having exceptional entertaining and living space dedicated to the main household, as well as having an incredibly spacious, self-contained in-law suite. The main recreation area has walnut hardwood flooring throughout, conversation areas off the staircase landing, and through a wood door in the southwest corner is a large guest bedroom finished with vinyl plank flooring and 2-piece crown moldings, the base trim richly stained oak hardwood, and having a bonus room that is well suited as a media room or a fitness area. The ensuite washroom is exceptional in its luxurious finishes, showcasing stone flooring, a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins, a wood-paneled ceiling with decorative crown moldings, a 2-person combination steam shower and jetted tub, as well as ceramic tiled walls surrounding both the toilet area and a separate glass shower with a star-shaped shower head. The recreation space additionally features coffered ceilings with crown moldings and pot lighting, both a games area and a media room, and there is storage off the games area as well as in a niche under the staircase. The rec room has 2 separate double door entries to a ceramic tiled hallway, This hall also having another set of double doors to access the sunroom and a second laundry area that is convenient for the in-law suite itself. This suite has a French door entry into its kitchen, which showcases ceramic flooring laid on the diagonal, a glass-tiled backsplash along the wall with a huge interior window above a stainless steel double sink, ceramic tiled countertops with a raised breakfast bar, appliances that include a side-by-side fridge freezer plus a built-in microwave, gas cooktop, and wall oven, as well as wood trim cabinetry with some glass-paneled accent doors that offers incredible storage. The suite also has a recreation area that can easily combine living and dining spaces, separate storage and coat closets, a 3-piece washroom with upgraded tiled finishes, a vanity with stone counter and upgraded lighting, decorative crown moldings, and a glass shower with a spa system, as well as an oversized window here, and in a bedroom finished with walnut flooring, chair rail, and crown moldings. This level also has a huge bonus space along the west side of the home that is accessible from this suite, the guest bedroom, and from the main level home office. Surrounded by a lush tree line for privacy, the backyard is a stunning oasis that offers a spectacular setting for personal enjoyment and for outdoor entertaining. Surrounding the in-ground pool is a concrete deck. The yard has beautifully landscaped gardens, raised vegetable garden beds, and a fire pit, while its massive concrete and stone patio has multiple dining and conversation areas, including under a wood gazebo and a pergola with built-in seating, as well as around a wood-burning stone fireplace when there's an evening chill. An exceptional estate home nestled at the end of a cul-de-sac, 16 Fielding Court offers a lifestyle of privilege, privacy, and exclusivity with the lush forested landscape of Northwest Ajax's South Greenwood community right outside its backyard.